Welcome to Health and Fitness. We will talk about 7 best AB workouts for women according to top fitness expert. These effective moves will help strengthen your core and flatten your belly fat fast. Number 1. Tabletop crunch and reach. A twist to the traditional crunch by lifting the legs to a tabletop position and adding on overhead extension. How to lay flat on your back and bend both knees at a 90-degree angle above you. Grab a light weight in both hands. Perform a crunch reaching the weight past your knees and towards your ankles. As you lower out of the crunch, simultaneously extend your arms over your head and strengthen your legs out away from you at an angle. Return to your starting position by bringing your legs back to 90 degrees and crunching at the same time. Number 2. Reverse crunch heel touches. Most reverse crunches involve rocking your legs up into your chest, but this movement stops before the rocking motion to focus on engaging your lower abdominals. How to laying flat on your back. Place your hands behind your head. Bend your knees and bring them up into a 90-degree angle. Then lift up into a crunch. Try to touch your heels to the ground while maintaining a 90-degree position in your legs and holding the static crunch. Do not arch your back only lower your legs as far as your core can hold. Then lift your legs back to the tabletop position as you breathe out. Consider adding ankle weights to make this move more challenging once you establish the proper form. Number 3. Crunch and reach. Add an extra reach at the end of your standard crunch to really feel the burn and get the most out of the movement. How to start by laying on your back with your arms extended overhead and knees bent so feet are flat on the floor. Use your arms as a lever to bring them up as you crunch your core, lifting your head and keeping the neck long while raising your shoulder blades off the floor. At the top of the crunch, reach your arm in between your knees for a pulse. Further, then slowly lower back down and arms go back overhead. Number 4. Bicycle crunch, which is a major move in his ABS focus classes. Armand says that the move is simplistic in concept, but when performed correctly, it lights up all the abdominals. How to lay flat on the floor with legs straight in front of you and your lower back pressed into the floor. Place your hands behind your head and be sure not to squash your neck. Think about keeping the neck long and lifted throughout the movement, almost like you were holding an apple just below your chin. Lift your shoulder blades off the ground and pull your right knees into your chest while bringing your left elbow to meet the right knee. Switch sides and do the same motion on the opposite side with the right elbow touching the left knee. During the movement, the straight leg should be hovering a few inches above the ground. Number 5. Forearm plank walkout. Karina Down and Katrina Scott, personal trainers and co-founders of Tone It Up, love this variation of the plank that requires extra stability through the abdominals. How to place Forearms on the floor with elbows aligned below shoulders and arms parallel to your body at out shoulder width. Press your toes into the floor and squeeze your glutes. From here, walk your right foot out a few inches and then your left foot out a few inches. While marching your feet out and in, focus on stabilizing your core and not letting your hips move. Number 6. One leg plank. This plank variation can be done using your body weight or for an added challenging, try adding a resistant band on your thighs just above your knees. How to place forearms on the floor with elbows aligned below shoulders and arms parallel to your body at above shoulder width. Press your toes into the floor and squeeze your glutes. From here, lift your right foot up a few inches and hold for about 5-10 seconds. Lower the right foot down and repeat with the left foot. Related the best resistance bands for a full body workouts according to experts. Number 7. Mountain climbers. This move is guaranteed to let you feel the burn. Go slow and controlled and courses to place glitters under your feet for even harder challenge. How to start in a plank position with your arms straight and wrist directly under your shoulders. Your body should be in one long plane with toes pressed into the ground and glutes engaged. Alternate bringing either knee into your chest. For a greater challenge, cross right knee over to touch opposite left elbow and something on the other side. Thanks for watching.